Welcome back to another episode of Things to Do in Southern Illinois. Today we are at the West Frankfort Bowling Alley.
Here it is. Nice. Let's see it. It's going good. It's going good. It's going good. Let's see what it's gonna do. Yeah, you got several down. High five. Let's see it. Go fast. Roll it hard. Roll it hard. Go, go, go. Yeah. Go ball. Go ball. Fast feet. Fast feet. It ricocheted. Here it goes. Oh, just missed it. River's turn. And roll it. River, help me push. There it goes. Whoa, that's a good one. Wow. Roll it. There. All right, it's Mom's turn.
Alright guys, thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.
Just because we're done bowling doesn't mean the fun has to stop. Check out this series of videos that you just might enjoy even more. Or how about these? Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to try some of the bowling alley's food, and we'll see you in the next one.